should I say no if my doctor wants to prescribe me opioids? No, I think it's wise, first of all, to open up communication with your doctor. First of all, they should be aware if there's any history of any mental illnesses previously or any history of substance misuse. That is more important. They need to know what's going on. For most people who are being prescribed opioids, it's because of a short-term pain management way of treatment. And for pain that's going to last up to about a week or so, there's nothing wrong with opioids. Your physician generally knows what they're doing. They wouldn't be prescribing it unless there was a good reason. And a 1-week prescription is plenty. Anything beyond that could put a person at a higher risk for developing dependence. So in this situation, as long as they're taking it as prescribed, they're not taking it more frequently or taking larger doses than prescribed, and if they're taking it for shorter than a week, there's nothing wrong with taking an opioid prescription by your family doctor. But like I said in the beginning, though, they should be aware if there's a history of substance misuse or any mental illnesses, because this can put a person at a higher risk of developing dependency and complications of the opioid use. I want to urge to people that opioids are very effective if used properly and for a very short duration, i.e. less than a week, and to be used sparingly. We also need to accept the fact that we need to live with pain. Pain is not going to be medicated away. As a society, we've become very sensitive to pain and requiring pain treatments. And sometimes it's best to realize the tough love approach and to say we need to learn how to suck it up and to deal with a certain amount of pain and to accept that. And that can enable people, because at least now their expectations are set lower. And so they can just be given a dose of reality right from the beginning. And there's many alternatives to treating pain aside from opioids. There's non-opioid analgesics like Tylenol and ibuprofen. There's cognitive therapy, being aware of my pain and being able to learn techniques of breathing, for example, to relieve it. Stretching exercises, physiotherapy or physical therapy in the United States, acupuncture, chiropractics. There's many ways to treat pain. So it's important to realize that opioids are very helpful for a select subset of patients with acute pain, not for chronic pain, for pain less than a week, is what I'm trying to say here, and to realize that there's going to be pain there, we can never medicate it fully away, and that there's alternative treatments to it. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions to this, please leave it in the comments box below.